This is from Mommy and Daddy. Real exciting. Look! New jammies! Some new jammies!
That's right. Can't have Christmas without buying underwear.
Underwear. Yay! You like those? Huh? You like them? There's the next size bigger. Next size bigger for baby Jude.
Were they 18 months?
Yeah.
So I just want the paper.
An empty box. That's the best box yet, huh, Jude? Alright, Pumpkin.
Oh, that's a big one. That's bigger than baby Jude.
That's cute. Uh-oh. This is from Grandma Cookie. Grandmommy. Look! Oh, you want to do the blacks? Here, goes right there. You're back. Put it in. Right there. Baby. Oh, it does everything. Open. Right here. You do it. Up and down. Here. Turn it. Here's the green one. Where's the green go? Up here. It goes up here. Right here. Right there. No, not that one. This one. Right here. Good boy. Green. There you go. Purple. Oh, we got one more. This way. Nope. Yep. There you go. Push. Yay, Jude. Good job. Purple goes here.